All right, so little brother got the chicken on there, guys. What type of seasoning? How you do your chicken, man?
Yeah, Shannon, she do the seasoning for me.
Oh, so this ain't all you then?
I just cook.
Oh, you just cook, huh?
Exactly. She seasons, I cook.
I think she said she used that. What, slap your mama or something right there, right?
No, it's a red.
All right, crew. So we are here. I just wanted to turn you guys on. I want to try to start this video set real quick here for this little weekend we got coming up, man. I am actually heading to Greensboro, North Carolina for probably, I think, just 2 days. We're gonna stop by, see the family. I really got to go and see Moms. Haven't seen her since this COVID stuff been going on, and so since I'm heading there, we're gonna just take a little road trip, man. We're gonna stop by this truck shop place where I get my parts at. They just opened up a basically like a retail shop there, heading towards Greensboro, but it's like 30 minutes from Greensboro. So anyway, I just really want to just start this set, guys. I'm coming out here because I gotta cover up old Bullseye, and I got Blue Ash already here in a little portable garage, but I always put a little tarp on Bullseye because I'm not sure how the weather's gonna be when I'm gone the next 2 days. So anyway, I'm gonna just turn you guys back on probably first thing in the morning once we get on the road. But I just wanted to go ahead and start this video set, and since I was coming out here and covering up old Bullseye here, and we'll get on the road and I'll turn you guys back on first thing once we get going. And I'm not sure if they'll let me record inside of the truck shop, but if they do, I'll get some footage or whatever. So Bullseye's looking good though, man. I tell you what, I'm gonna miss her. I'm gonna miss you, baby. I'm gonna miss Bullseye while we're going, guys. So check you guys out here probably, hey, a couple of seconds with this video time. You know how we have to edit. So I'll see you guys in the morning. All right, crew. So, hey, we are back with another video. Hey, yesterday I had to cut the video short. I know we was working in the garage and everything, but you know what? I had to, take a little break. And on that break, man, I'm heading to North Carolina. And as you guys see, I'm already here at one of the hotels, man. We stopped. I brought my wife along with me, but we are actually going home to my hometown. And on the way home, man, we stopped, and I got a little treat for you guys. So we had actually stopped at Concord, North Carolina. That's where I get all my parts and stuff from. So that was a nice treat, man. And I would share the parts, share that with you guys as far as the parts that I got. So anyway, we're gonna be doing a lot of different things today. Just hang out with me, man. We're gonna just right now we're gonna head to go get some breakfast. So you guys around. So right now we're heading to go get some breakfast. This is my hometown, Greensboro, North Carolina. Well, I'm gonna show you some of the parts that I did get today and stuff coming up here. So we're about to head go get breakfast and everything, and I'll get back with you guys later. What's going on, crew? Hey, I'm up here with my brother Squeak and one of our buddies, Rick. We call him Ricky Ticky Top. But we're up here cooking some ribs out here on the grill. I'm trying to show him, how to throw down and stuff. But he's trying to tell me that this is the new age, how he cook his ribs. So I'm gonna turn you cats around in a minute. Let me introduce you guys to my brother and his buddy Ricky. Brother.
There you go. Classic style.
He's my brother Dez, but we call him Squeaky.
Maybe back rib.
He think he doing a little something up here in the field. We call this the field where we from, man. It's Greenfield Homes, guys.
Hometown, born and raised.
Yes, sir.
See the shirt? How you doing out there, TV land?
y'all think he look like me?
I look better. I look better.
Man, it's a side by side. That's little bro right there. That's old Ricky Ticky. That's old Ricky Ticky Top. What's up, Rick?
It's a legend right there.
What up now? All right now, shoot.
It's a legend. You see them do it?
We all grew up together, guys, in the hood over here. It's looking good though, man. It's looking good.
Let's chop them up a little bit.
So it's about what? About 50% done?
Yeah, I'll say about 60, 65.
About 65.
Mm-hmm.
All right, and his old lady inside cooking some. What is she cooking? Some
Swahili fish.
All right.
Swahili.
And I think she's doing some chicken too,
I'm
ain't she?
doing some chicken on the grill too.
Are you gonna put it on the grill?
Yeah, I'm putting on the grill.
All right, Kat. So we're gonna turn you guys back on, man. Like I said, I'm just on a little trip down here, man. I came down to truck shop, pick up some parts. So I said, let me stop by the crib, man, and see Mom, and see little bro, man. So we're doing a little hanging out this weekend, and so we're gonna cut you guys back on once we put some chicken on there, and I'm gonna see how those ribs taste, guys. See if he did any justice.
Good one. Southern style cooking.
All right,
Good
guys.
homes.
So we're gonna go ahead and walk in here and see what they cooking in here. But hey, Shane, go ahead. Let's see that sway, man. Everybody wants to see the sway. It's called sway, right? This is Shannon. She said it tastes like chicken.
Tastes like chicken.
Is that a Hawaiian thing? Is that a Hawaiian thing or something? Fish tastes like chicken or what?
No.
Huh?
No.
That's my niece over there, Shay. I know you cooking on something, Shay. What you cooking?
Just chopping up onions and green peppers. About to make baked beans.
Baked beans?
Uh-huh.
All right.
Baked beans with green peppers and onions.
All right.
Yeah.
So we're going to get back and we'll give a taste test with that, guys. So we're going to let you guys know how that tastes when we get through with it.
I think they're ready. They should be ready.
I would cut them and just let them cook a little bit more. Yeah, they look tender. All right, so we done took them off the grill, guys. Look at that, man. That's all for 2 people. I'm just joking. My little brother did it up, man. I already had a little sample piece, man. They look good. They taste good too. Good job, man. So now you about to do some chicken, right?
Put some chicken on here now. And that chicken one, they take about like 30-40 minutes, man.
Okay.
It'll be good.
All right, so little brother got the chicken on there, guys. What type of seasoning? How you do your chicken, man?
Yeah, Shannon knows. She do the seasoning for me.
Oh, so this ain't all you then?
I just cook.
Oh, you just cook, huh?
Exactly. She seasons, I cook.
I think she said she used that slap your mama or something right there. Right?
No, it's a red. It's like a sauce she uses. She pour on.
Oh, okay.
It's the sauce right here. But she know the ingredients, whatever.
So you don't got nothing. You don't base yours. Put more of it on there.
Yeah, that's why I'm holding this right here, like this.
I mean, no, but you ain't putting that on there.
Yeah, a little bit.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, throw it on there. I just flipped the motor first time.
So you just put them on there in about 5 minutes. All right, let's go ahead and check this chicken out. Go ahead, bro. Check the chicken out. See what it looking like. Oh yeah. I'm about to do a secret test on this right here.
It's just the pros.
All right, so hey guys, this here is the finished product, man. So this here are the beans that my niece cooked. She actually sauteed some onions, some peppers up in there, man. And I'll tell you what, they look really good. And this is the sway, the chicken, and these here are the ribs and stuff that my brother cooked. So I'm gonna go ahead and taste me. Flip you guys. Try this here. Oh, beans are good. Beans are really good. Try this fish here. Man, they hooked this up. Really good. Wow.
My mom.
It's on point. Hey, not that. I'm gonna cut you guys back on. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up. I'll probably cut you guys back on either tonight or first thing in the morning. We're heading back to Bristol and we'll finish up this video, guys. Thanks for hanging out. Wish you guys was here. Wish there was some smell-o-vision going on. Some good stuff, boy, I'm telling you. All right, guys, so we are back on the road, heading back to Bristol. Hey, I had a good last few days. We was at the hotel, picked up a few parts at the truck shop. That was my first time actually visiting the truck shop in Concord, North Carolina. Pretty neat place. Of course, with the quarantine and everything, can't really look around like inside the warehouse or whatever, but they got like a little retail store, which I don't know why I just didn't record it. I guess I was tired when I was been on the road. But anyway, you know, I'll show you the parts once I get back to the house. We're on the, like I said, we're on the road here heading back to Bristol, and I guess I'll show you guys a little bit of scenery, and we should be pulling up here in a few hours. Turn you guys around. Alright, crew, so we finally made it back to the house, man. And I didn't tell you guys, actually we had took my wife's car, so I actually had to, and I'm gonna show you guys what we brought back for the build that we just started doing. I knew I needed the front fenders, so I just went on ahead and picked them up since I was in North Carolina, and I got a good deal that gave me 10% off on them as well. And I also got a bumper as well, and just a few miscellaneous things, man. So, you know, I just wanted to bring you guys with me. You know, took you guys to my hometown. We got some good eating. I showed you guys some ribs, and my brother was throwing down this weekend and stuff. And I just want to show you guys what I do, man, on a daily basis and stuff. So I hope you guys actually just got through watching old Blue Ash, my last video. She just hey, we just got a raise on Blue Ash, and check my next video Wednesday. I'll be dropping that video to the 55 pickup, and hopefully, you know, within 6-7 months, we'll be putting these fenders on and everything, and take you guys along for the ride for that as well. So I hope you guys have enjoyed the you know, last day or 2 days hanging out with me in Greensboro. Like I said, that was my hometown. We just had to take a quick trip down there to see my you know, my family and stuff, and I also wanted to pick up these parts since I actually had opportunity. I haven't been anywhere in probably about a year as far as with this coronavirus and stuff going on. So it was good to get away from the house and everything. And hopefully pretty soon we'll start doing some car shows. They already started a car show last week, but it rained. So hopefully next week we'll start doing some car shows. So don't forget to hit that like button, guys. Also share, and if you really like it, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And like I always tell people, guys, if you got a good cigar, a fast car and truck, smoke them if you got them, baby. CJ is out, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.